Hey guys, Cody from Organic. Today is going to be a short, simple video on how to glue up miter joints using nothing but masking tape and glue. First things first, we want to take our masking tape out. I'm using the Frog Tape brand. It seems to work fairly well. And we're going to go ahead and cut off just 3 short pieces and stick them along our work area here. Just make they're easily available. Set our tape there. Here is our miter joint, right? 45, 45. We're going to basically making tapered legs, as you can see. But it's a little difficult to clamp mitered edges like that. So what I'd like to do is I'll flip it over to where the 45 is toward the inside. That's on both pieces. Stick them together like so, make sure we got them even. Now, here's where the tape comes in. So we'll find our legs, we'll stick the tape on one side. The tape, masking tape in general, has a little bit of, you can see as I pull it, it has a little bit of elasticity. And what we will do is, we'll stretch it there. Take another piece, we'll do the top here. Again, sticking it to one side, kind of holding it down with our thumb, stretching it out, placing it, and smoothing it out. Do it again along the bottom, just like the other two. Have it here, hold it down with your thumb, pull just a little bit. There we go. Now, there you go. So when you can bend it, right, and it'll make your leg and it'll keep the joints fairly tight. But we're not there just yet. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take it and you're gonna flip it. Like so. You're gonna take your glue. I use Titebond 2 and I have it in my little glue bot here. You're just going to put a fairly decent amount of glue along each side. If you can use your finger, I enjoy using my little Titebond glue brush here. Just gets it a good even amount. But there we go. Okay, so now we're ready to flip it over and create that mitered angle. So flip it like so. There you go. Now we got our, but we're not done yet. So now we're going to take the masking tape. We're going to stick it to this side. See? And then you're going to pull tight. You're going to rotate the entire leg. And then you're going to do the same thing here and again here. So rotate it here, along the back, pull tight, rotate, so again, 1/3 and last time, hit there, rotate your leg, pulling tight, all right, and there you have it. You got our minor joints, you have your squeeze out. You want to take the excess with your finger and just go along the inside, getting as much of that glue out as you can. Some people will allow it to dry. I prefer to wipe the excess because there's less I have to get rid of later. And we're done. And that was it. And I'm gonna just wait for it to dry. Hey guys. So that was it. Short, simple, easy to do, no clamps, and no brad nails. I've used this technique a number of times and I've always had success. So please let me know how it goes for you in the comments below. Alright guys, so that concludes our video. I hope you guys like and subscribe to our channel. You can visit us on our social media at Organic Woodwork, and you can also visit our website, organicwoodwork.com. And as always, God bless.